Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing analysis for Friday, 6th August in Nifty and Banknifty. We had a pretty consolidated move in Banknifty and a pretty trending move in Nifty. First, we'll just have a check with Nifty, today's trade and even tomorrow's analysis. What I have opened here is the 15 minutes chart in Banknifty. We shorted Banknifty once this trend line got taken out on the downside as soon as in the opening itself. So we shorted until here, that is 35,680, and there was a good trade, but since this was a good move, we got good profits, so we stopped for the day. So there was a good move on the upside as well until 36,000. So let's just see the levels for tomorrow. The zone that I'm marking right now can play as a support again tomorrow, just as it did today. See, today we came and took support. Once we came down, we took support at 35,672 and moved higher. So in case we come down, we might take support here 35,600, or even break this small green zone that I've drawn. And if we break, the targets on the downside are this green line, what I'm marking here in the black, that is around 35,500, and the next would be 35,300. And there's also an interesting chart pattern that's formed in 15 minutes in Banknifty. Is nothing but this head and shoulder. It's not formed yet, but we can just be ready in case of this breakdown. This could be a perfect head and shoulder chart pattern. In case we start moving on the upside, I will mark this trend line and keep. So once we get a breakout of this trend line, probably we'll wait for a retest and then go for long with the upper red lines as the target, that is 36,000 about 160 and 36,280. These are the targets on the upside, and on the downside we have 35,500 and 35,280. Since today Banknifty had a very consolidated move, the entire move was in this range which I'm marking right now. So we could expect some kind of a trending move tomorrow, either on the upside or on the downside. So we'll just wait for the price action tomorrow and then take a trade. So let's just go to the Nifty chart. Nifty had a very trending day. All the levels that we had marked played very well, especially the CPR what we had taken, since we don't have too much of support and resistance at these levels. It exactly took support at this pivot and started going higher, and almost took resistance at R2. And the same holds good even for tomorrow. We could probably take support or resistance at this pivot level and take resistance and support with R1 and S1. See, still we don't have any trend line for Nifty. The only trend line that I can see right now is this green line that I've drawn. In case we come down, we could take support at this levels tomorrow. That's about 16,200, and we made a fresh high today, that is 16,348, right? So even that level can act as resistance tomorrow. That's pretty much same as R1 on the pivot. So this area that I mark can be a good resistance. This green area that I marked, right, can be a good resistance. So that is for Nifty and Banknifty. Let's have a check with the open interest. Since it's just Friday, we cannot take complete. Yes, sorry. I've opened the 12th August Banknifty open interest chart. See, we have good call writing at 36,000, okay, and good support at 35,500. So this can be the range for tomorrow and even probably next week. And as this is a very dynamic data, it could change dynamically in the live market as well. And see, the support, the resistance at 36,000 and support at 35,000 correlates to the chart price action. So we are good with our support and resistance drawn on the chart. Now the same thing we'll check on Nifty. Nifty 12th August. See, there's a huge put and call writing at 16,300. So we'll have to wait and see how this strike price swings either way. If the call writing reduces or the put writing reduces. So this value, you see the huge red candle and a green candle, right? Since green is a little more, even the put writing is more. So this could swing either way tomorrow or even next week. We could go down until 16,200 or move up higher. We'll have to wait and watch. So these are the levels for Nifty and Banknifty that I've drawn and prepared for tomorrow. So please do like this channel and like the video and subscribe to this channel.